Plants are nature's solar panels, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy. But how does this process actually work? It all starts in the chloroplasts, tiny structures inside plant cells filled with chlorophyll, the pigment that gives leaves their green color. When sunlight hits chlorophyll, it excites electrons, kicking off a chain reaction that ultimately produces energy-rich molecules. This is the first step in photosynthesis, setting the stage for plants to create their own food. Once sunlight energizes the chlorophyll, plants use water from their roots to split molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is released into the air. Yes, the very oxygen we breathe. Meanwhile, the hydrogen is used to create ATP and NADPH, two energy-carrying molecules. These molecules store the sun's energy, making it available for the next stage of photosynthesis. Without this step, plants wouldn't be able to produce the sugars they need to grow and thrive. Now comes the Calvin cycle, where plants turn captured energy into food. Using carbon dioxide from the air, ATP and NADPH, plants build glucose, a simple sugar that fuels their growth. This process happens in the stroma, the fluid-filled space inside chloroplasts. The Calvin cycle doesn't need sunlight, which is why it's called the dark reaction. But without the energy from earlier steps, it wouldn't be possible. This is how plants create the foundation of the entire food chain. Photosynthesis doesn't just feed plants, it powers life on Earth. The oxygen released keeps animals and humans alive, while the sugars produced fuel everything from towering trees to tiny flowers. Even the food we eat, from fruits to grains, exists because of this process. Without photosynthesis, ecosystems would collapse, and life as we know it wouldn't exist. It's a perfect example of nature's efficiency, turning sunlight into the energy that sustains the planet. Scientists are now studying photosynthesis to create clean energy solutions. Artificial photosynthesis aims to mimic plants, turning sunlight into fuel without pollution. If perfected, this technology could revolutionize energy production, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Imagine a world where solar-powered reactions create sustainable energy, just like plants do. Nature has already solved the energy problem. We just need to learn from it. The future of energy might be hidden in the leaves around us.